guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. I hope you are having an amazing day so far. As you can see guys, I have very good recipe right here in front of you. Okay, so today's video I am here to prepare authentic Ghana turkey, fresh turkey tomato stew. Okay, so this recipe here is going to be very simple. It's very easy for everybody to make. Okay, and it's gonna taste delicious as well. Okay, so guys, this is my ingredients right here. So as you can see, I'm gonna go through them so you guys will get the idea of what I am using. So first of all, I have my turkey right here. So this one is fresh turkey wings. Yeah, this time I'm using turkey wings. Normally I use the thigh or the legs, but today I'm using turkey wings. And as you can see on this side, I have my oil. I have the reka. This is tomato paste called the reka. I know in Ghana we use this a lot. I think there's another one too called salsa, but that one I can't find it. So, but the reka is really nice. And when you come here, I have Habenaro pepper. I'm using one because the ginger is here also. The habanero and the ginger is gonna make it very spicy. So if you are watching me and you don't like very spicy, don't add this habanero, okay? The ginger will be enough. And also I have my red onion right here. I'm using 3 of them. And as you can see, I have my bell peppers. Alright guys, so now we're going to go through the seasoning. So as you can see, I always try to use a healthy seasoning for all my cookings. So right now it's laying right here in front of my face. So I'm going to go through with you. I have Aniseed right here. Yeah, this one is the powdered one. You can get it from any Hispanic or Mexican store near you. I have my garlic powder, red pepper, yeah, maize-dash guys. Maize-dash, you can get it from Walmart, Target. They sell it like mostly everywhere. This spices is very nice. You can use it to season anything. I love it. And this one is the vegetable version of that. And also I have my cloves. Guys, you know how much I love cloves. Okay, when you add cloves to your seasoning, it just change the taste of your stew or your soup. This stuff is the best. Yeah, I have my white pepper powder right here. This one too, you can get it from any Hispanic store. This one is a little spicier than the other black pepper, and this one is more like strong too. So if you want to use this one, you can get it from, yeah. And also I have my salt on this side. This is my pink salt. Yeah, I'm not going to use all of it, so don't freak out. Yeah, so guys, let's get started. Alright guys, so now I have my blender right here, as you can see. So I am going to blend the peppers, the bell peppers. Okay, so I am going to cut them, take off all the seeds. It's already washed, and then blend them. I'm going to blend it separately this time. Normally I used to blend all of them together, but I just want to blend it differently this time. So that is what I'm going to do right now. Alright guys, so it is time to cut the onion right here. So the reason why I'm using a lot of onion, when you make some stew, okay, you add more onion, it just added a lot of flavor to the stew. Ema abomono so tu eye hwehwe kama. What the onion yeah stew abomono tu eye sham. So that's why I'm adding a lot of onions this time. And also I'm going to use that some of them to season my turkey meats, the fresh turkey. So yeah. So now we're going to blend the ginger and the onion, everything together, including the habanero. Alright guys, so I have my pot on the stove. So we are going to season the turkey meat first before we make the actual stew. So make sure you season your meats nicely. Okay, and I'm going to season your time. The mano, I will season that I kama. So that is what we need. So right now I am going to add some salt, depending the amount of meat that you're gonna make. Yeah, I'm gonna add some salt. Probably I won't need all of it. And also I'm gonna add some garlic powder. So I'm gonna add about 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of garlic powder. And also guys, remember I told you about the white pepper right here? Hope you guys can see it. Now this stuff right here is very nice. Yeah, it's different from the other what do you call the black pepper. Yeah, so I'm using about a half teaspoon of that. And also guys, I'm going to add some of the blended onion right here. Okay. Also all this together, it's gonna form a very nice delicious broth, like the turkey broth. So that one can help too. You can use it and add it to the stew, okay, when everything is done seasoning. Now bibi a cherry come on. Sa ensuo na beka wo mu no betimi e de good stew na e come on. So I'm just adding just a little bit of water, about 1 cup, about 6 ounces of water. And then I am going to cover it and let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes, okay? And make sure you use a low medium heat to cook this meat. So guys, it's been like 15 minutes so far, so I'm trying to see how it is. I think it's a lot still tough, so I'm gonna give it extra 10 more minutes. I think it should be ready. I think with the chicken is more softer than turkey. Turkey may take a little time to cook, so yeah, just give it another 10 minutes. I think it should be fine. Alright guys, so the meat is already cooked, so I have my oil on the stove. So as usually, we are going to fry the turkey. season up for a little come and see a map. If you are to share things a season up for turkey in who ye smelling really nice. You should smell it. Gosh, smelling really nice. Ayesham. Yeah. And there are 2 boys now. Yes, I'll. You're not in here, my come on. Perfect. Alright, guys, so we just gonna let it cook, and then I'm gonna flip it around, you know, like normal way. Alright guys, so now I'm going to add the onion. The reason why I'm using the same oil from the meat is because the oil has more flavor from the turkey right now. So this is the best, okay, oil to use to make the stew. Always use the oil you fry with your meat. Okay, so what they and one the what ya chi and nam no chi stew na and my stew we sham and my muye kama. Alright guys, so as you can tell, the onion is really cooked. Okay, so how to tell it's cooked? When you take a little bit of the stew, you will see that the oil is coming out, you know, from the onion sauce. So that's how you get to know that it's fully cooked. So now we are going to add the tomato paste. Yeah. So at this point, I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to allow it to cook for about 5 minutes before I add water. So just keep stirring and make sure everything is combined pretty well. The wouldn't want any flour. I know I'm not just swam not 5 minutes. And sana. Yeah, I can swab. Still is looking very nice, guys. Alright guys, so it's been 5 minutes so far. As you can see, it's looking very delicious. Guys, this stew is smelling really nice at the house. So right now, remember my bell peppers, okay? The one that I just blended it separately. I'm gonna add it right now. That is my bell pepper right here. And also that is the turkey broth. Yeah, leftovers. I'm gonna add it as well. Give it a nice stir. I have about a pinch of salt. And this is the seasoning. It's half a teaspoon each. I'm gonna add it as well. So my seasoning. And now I'm just going to cover it and let it steam for about 15 minutes. Yeah. And then it will come and check it. Now guys, make sure you gradually stir this stew all the time, okay? Because you don't want to burn your stew. Yeah. Alright guys, so now I'm going to open and check and see how this stew is doing so far. Guys, you should smell this stew. Oh my gosh. The bell pepper, the onion, smelling nice. Guys, stew is a bit thick. So if you're not in Ghana, sometimes our mom used to make thick stew. So what you can crab kids so big so and then I fry it with bread. This is the kind of stew this is gonna look like. A very thick and delicious, very dense. So I'll show you how you can tell it's looking now. It's looking very nice. So it's been about 20 minutes so far. So right now, I'm just going to add my meat right here. Turkey and swat. Share fat. Come on. So we are going to add it. Our sauce is finally done. Are you sure it's smelling really awesome? Don't forget that this stew you can eat with rice, yam, kenke, you can eat with a lot of stuff, okay? Gari fufu, you can eat this with it because I want you to try this recipe because this is very beautiful. The stew is very thick, okay? It got all the meat and everything inside this. Got all your turkey meat. It's just amazing. Even the smell itself will just throw you. This is very beautiful turkey wings tomato stew. This is authentic Ghana. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And also don't forget to subscribe to OBAAPA Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. This is OBAAPA Kitchen. Guys, please try this recipe. Leave me a comment and let me know what you guys think. This is almost like Christmas stew, okay? And the one you serve every Christmas. Your parents, your grandparents, the one that they serve in the village, in your town. We stew now. And give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like watch. Alright, love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Enjoy.